motorbike. First one I've seen for a couple of days. Morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies. I suspect we shall very shortly have the riding season upon us. Still don't understand that. The thing that worries me is the amount of riders that haven't ridden for for 5 or 6 months suddenly going out. Always a risky time of year, isn't it? They start to take chances they wouldn't normally take. Right, I know where on this road to look. I've got a bit of wheel wobble there, a little bit of vibration. Oh no, look at my tyres when I get back. It's hard to tell because knobblies are quiet shake anyway. You get a certain amount of vibration at sort of 65 miles an hour. And it feels like your ends are going to shake out. You pull the clutch in and let the engine revs die and you've still got the same vibration. Sure sign your knobblies are still knobbly. Yeah, riding season. If you're a seasonal rider, can you in all honesty say that for your first few rides you ride sensibly until you're back into the swing? I know we have. We do have one road round here, the Burnham Bends, where at the beginning of the season historically there are a lot of accidents where people sort of overcook it first time out of the year. They come out of places like Basildon, London, and there's lunch din-dins. And they just overcook it. And I think that's the danger if you haven't ridden for a while. I know I had it. There was a period just after the divorce where I had to get rid of one bike, Jersey registered, I needed the money, various other things, and I probably had about 2 years not riding. And I got on the it's the BMW R80 I had. I bought it very, very cheaply. Bought it from an area in London, and I could see a lot of its problems were neglect. The oil leaks with just the rocker tubes and things like that, and I knew I could fix it because the basic engine sounded good. So I got some insurance went up with my nephew. I had a hire car at the time because I was working for a housing group, and part of my package was a hire car. And I took my nephew Jonathan up, and I got this bike, got on it, and that's where she got the name Squeak from, because the rubbers in the rear shock, every time you went over a slight bump there was a real squeak at the back, and went and got petrol, got on the M25, and I got round the M25 onto the A12, first lay-by, pulled in, because I didn't know where Jonathan was. He was supposed to be following me, and he, about 20 minutes later, pulled in, saw me. Have you got a problem? No, I'm waiting for you. He said, you are joking. He said, you were going down that road like a bloody idiot. I said, no. Yeah, mud. And apparently he was doing 85 to try and keep up with me, and then I started filtering at silly speeds, and yes, hands up, I was riding like a bloody idiot. Just the sheer enjoyment of being back on a bike. But I can offset that. I can offset that by saying, well, I've got a lot of experience. But I can negate that by saying, well, I should have known better. And I didn't. And these guys who are doing roads like the Burnham Bends and crashing, it's not that they don't know better, they do. It's just that, having not been on a bike for a while, excitement gets the better of you, and it does, all of us. Might be the mud. Ooh, that's muddy. It does get the better of you. I never thought I'd be one of those people. Let's just give these tyres a wash. Nice gentle wash. Doing that video for Navy Thomas the other day, I saw how muddy they still were. No, I can't be asked to go out and wash them. So, if you're a seasonal rider, are you brave enough to admit whether you've had the mad moments? I am, I have. I think the mad moments can be good for you if you get away with it. You do something stupid that scares you and you get away with it. It's a learning curve. It's the poor buggers, and I say the poor buggers, that get it wrong and end up dead or seriously injured in hospital. Come on, Carl. Nothing like a dose of adrenaline, which is what I had on the old BMW. Or are you one of those seasonal riders that gets on and rides really sensibly until they're back in the swing? Curious. I know every year about this time you get a bit of nice weather at the weekend, and you do see and you do see some really stupid riding. Yeah, that was it, my nice sunny morning mumble. Apparently we've got torrential rain coming in at about midday. What's new? The start of spring. Got to expect bad weather, haven't we? We're in England. Had a conversation with a girl in the shop this morning. It's a lovely morning, isn't it? A bit frosty. It was cold. And she said, yes, give it 5 minutes, it'll change. You know the rules. Ride safely. And within that, remember, you can ride safely at speed. Speed is not dangerous. It's the location you do the speed in that's dangerous. I have no problem with riders going really fast in the right place. And when they go really fast in the wrong place, it's silly. So, you ride safe. Have fun. Enjoy it. Tell the miserable buggers where to get off. They like that. They like being told they're miserable. Catch you later.